Okay, after a couple months of working on it, I finally finished my Hobie battleship, thanks to the Hobie forum and the Texas kayak fishing forum. Show you what I did. So anyways, it's a 2012 Oasis 2-seater, and I got this idea off the forum. I used the 2-inch PVC pipe for bunkers, which bend to the bottom of the kayak very nicely. This is my no drill pole holder, which I got from Ace Hardware. It's a reducer, I think it's 2-inch reducer going down to 1.5 inches, which fits snugly in the cup holder. Won't go anywhere. Mirage drive with turbo fins. These are the Spring Creek Kayak Stabilizers. Really nice. I originally had the Wave Armor from Cabela's, which is a copy of these, and the quality on these is way better. So if you got the money, save your pennies and get these. Talk to Chuck, he knows this stuff. And you can slide these in and out. And up and down. This is the Scotty baitcaster attached to the Spring Creek stabilizer. Got this idea from the forum. This is a I think 1-inch PVC. So I turned it into a high back seat mount, way more comfortable. I can paddle for hours and your back doesn't get tired. Twist and stow rudder. This is probably the coolest idea I got off the forum. It's my no drill transducer mount. I took a 3/4 inch PVC and it slides right into the kayak stabilizer. And if I want it down, I just push it. If I want it out, pull it back up. And if I want to lock it, I drilled a hole right there, and I drop this pin in, and it's locked in. This is my homemade Kayak spear out of a broomstick, and I just drilled a hole and stuck the iron down in it. I think it's 1/4 inch. Gives me some leverage to spear the fish. I put the Humminbird 190 fish finder. I got this little snap lock box. You can see inside. I got the Radio Shack 9-volt battery pack. Drilled a little hole, ran the wire out. And it plugs into the back of the fish finder. So again, thanks to the forum, I stole most of these ideas from you guys. I'll give you one more look here. Oh yeah, one other mod off the forum which is pretty good is these tennis balls going on the kayak cart. Keeps it from rubbing and putting too much pressure on the collars. So again, thanks to the forum, sharing your ideas and videos. It's how we all learn from each other. Oh, one more thing, guys have been asking me what I use for bait. I've been doing pretty good with this thing. I don't know if you can see here. But what we do is this goes in, we usually use a macro scad. In Hawaii we call it an apelo. You stick this down the throat of it. You open up these prongs. and the fish clips in, and then it just swims naturally along. And I use my daughter's clear rubber bands for her hair, and I take my stinger hook, clear rubber band, and attach it to the fish so the hook stays attached to the fish. I'm having pretty good luck with it. Anyways, there you go.